Hello there! This is Teacher Algie, and together we will explore for today the journey in the world of computer system servicing. Are you ready? So, to start with, let us recall our past lesson on file sharing. What have you noticed in the picture? Right, these devices are sharing files. In the world of computers, what does file sharing means? We can remember that file sharing is the public and private sharing of computer data or space in a network with various levels of access privileges of a user. It is a practice of distributing or providing access to digital media, such as computer programs, multimedia, like audio, images and videos, documents, or other electronic books. So basically, file sharing is a sharing of computer data or multimedia in a network. Now, do you want to know how file sharing works? Okay then, later we will find out. For now, I will introduce you to words or phrases you will encounter throughout this lesson. We will have it as a game. It is called Arrange Me. In this game, you will arrange the words or phrases based on the given meaning. You will be given 5 seconds for each item. Are you ready? What do you call a physical method of moving data and signals from one place to another? Correct! It is cabling. What do you call to the two or more computers or other electronic devices connected together so that they can exchange data? You get it! It is networking. What is a type of Ethernet cable used to connect computing devices together directly? Correct! It is crossover. What do you call to one of the most popular forms of network cable used in wired networks? That's right! It is Ethernet cabling. Wow! You got it all right! Now that you have learned the 4 difficult words or phrases, I believe you are now ready for our lesson. For today, we will learn how to perform Ethernet cabling, specifically the crossover. To start, here are a few things we need to take note. Ethernet cabling is a process of connecting 2 or more peripheral devices with the use of unshielded twisted pair Cat5e cable and RJ45 connectors. Crossover Ethernet cables are used for laptop to desktop connection, direct PC to PC connection, and file or printing sharing. In other words, it is used to the same type of devices such as computer to another computer or router to another router. I believe we are now all set. But before we forget, here are some safety precautions we need to follow as we perform the cabling. We should use the proper tools. Always be on the task. And apply 5S of good housekeeping. Are you ready? Alright. Then, for the first step, we have to prepare all the materials needed, such as unshielded twisted pair or UTP cable, crimper, wire stripper, RJ45 connectors, and LAN tester. Second step, grab your UTP cable, wire stripper, or your crimper and cut the plastic sheath 1 inch from the end of the cable. Third step, unwind the paired wire and arrange it based on crossover cable wiring. Please refer to this picture. Fourth step, pinch the wires between your fingers and straighten them. Fifth step, use wire cutter to make a straight cut across the untwisted wires 1/2 inch from the cut sleeve to the end of the wires and trim to a suitable length. Sixth step, keep the wire flat and in order as you insert them into the RJ45 connector. Seventh step, take view from the top and make sure that the wires are all the way in. Eighth step, crimping the cable. Carefully place the connector into the Ethernet crimper and pinch down on the handles tightly. Ninth step, for a crossover cable, the other end will have a different color border. Please refer to the picture shown. Tenth step, make sure to test the cable using the LAN tester. Were you able to take note of the steps? Very good! Now, let's have a quick recap of the steps. First, we prepared all the materials needed. Second, we cut the plastic sheet of the UTP cable 1 inch from the end. Third, we unwound the paired wire and arranged it based on crossover cable wiring. Fourth, we pinched the wires between our fingers and straightened them. Fifth, we used wire cutter to make a straight cut across the untwisted wires 1/2 inch from the cut sleeve to the end of the wires and trim to a suitable length. Sixth, we kept the wire flat and in order as we inserted them into the RJ45 connector. Seventh, we took view from the top and made sure the wires were all the way in. 8. We carefully placed the connector into the Ethernet crimper and pinched down on the handles tightly. 9. We prepared the other end of the cable following the color order for crossover cable. 10. We made sure to test the cable using the LAN tester. There you have it! Isn't it so easy? Now, get your pen and paper or notebook and answer this activity. Write your answer in your notebook. 1. What type of cable is the most commonly used transmission medium? A. Coaxial. B. Electrical. C. Fiber optic. D. Twisted pair. Correct! It is D. Twisted pair. Number 2. What type of connector is usually attached to both ends of a twisted pair cable? A. RJ43. B. RJ44. C. RJ45. D. RJ46. You were right. It is C. RJ45. Number 3. How many pairs of wires does a twisted pair cable has? A. 2. B. 4. C. 6. D. 5. Awesome! It is B. 4. Number 4. Which of the following is used to attach the RJ45 jack to the end of a twisted pair cable? A. Clumping tool. B. Crimping tool. C. Crimping tool. D. Cramping tool. Right again, it is B. Crimping tool. What type of cable is used to connect a host to another host? A. Crossover. B. Cross through. C. Straight over. D. Straight through. Correct! It is A. Crossover. Keep it up! Congratulations! Please join and have fun with me again on our next episode. This is Teacher Algie, and let me leave you with these words that goes, great satisfaction comes from sharing with others. Stay healthy and have a good day. Goodbye!
Basta't sama-sama at ating mapakita